Mobile County Circuit Judge says Twitter is a problem. This is the same judge who banned the use of computers and other electronic messaging devices inside his courtroom during a recent high-profile murder case. Fox 10 News reporter Hubert Tate wants to know why he did that, and today he got some answers for you. Hubert?
Well, Judge John Lockett says he does not tweet and knows very little about it, but he does believe the social media website is causing a problem.
Type a few words, click a button, and tweets are instantly on the internet. Judge John Lockett says the process of tweeting and retweeting is becoming an issue.
Twitter's definitely a problem, or it can be a problem, let's put it that way.
Recently, during the capital murder case of Richard Hollingsworth, Judge Lockett banned computers and cell phones from his courtroom. Defense attorneys were worried the messages would have influenced the outcome of the case. Judge Lockett agreed.
The whole idea is the integrity of a fair trial, having the truth come out as best as it can. And so that was one of the primary reasons in that case.
And Mobile County is not the only place where the social media website is causing concern. Across the Bay in Baldwin County, District Attorney Hallie Dixon wrote in a response motion that websites like Twitter allow reporters to give minute-by-minute updates. She called the coverage of the Steve Nodine murder case an unusual development in the historical interaction between the press, the courtroom, and the public.
Courts have always operated within the context of the larger society.
Spring Hill College political scientist and former news reporter Tom Hoffman thinks what will eventually happen with Twitter use depends on location.
Courts in some areas do things differently, and in other areas, will be more liberal or more lax about the use of presence of technology, and others will be stricter. And I think that eventually the courts will kind of converge on what seems to work.
Fox 10 News did ask the judge whether the media had any influence on its recent decision.
Is it our fault that this information is getting out?
Oh, I'm not saying it's anybody's fault necessarily. I understand you have a job to do, but I have a job to do too, and hopefully you can report in a summary fashion what's happening at a trial without the minute-by-minute replay that other witnesses can potentially view.
And the judge has the final word on what or even if anything is tweeted.
We tried to get a response from leaders at Twitter. They sent us back this email saying someone would get back with us. We're still waiting. Lenise.